summer day with a dog, a beer, and a girl. Motorcycle ride when she's holding on tight and leaning in on every curve. Playing 5-car draw, pair of twos and betting it all. And hey, I like it like that. It's a love worth making, a risk worth taking, never looking back. It's the simple things in life that make them worthwhile, and that's where it's at. And hey, I like it like that. Well, I like a long weekend, hanging out with friends at a bonfire down by the lake, strumming my 6-string, rocking out to Springsteen, sitting on my tailgate. Ice cold beer tastes bitter when the game's all